View the cover page of option trading plan. Follow the timetable. Implement constitution. Representation as per population proportion. 10 points of world reform. Take your salary payment of 300 EL, minimum 5,000 and maximum 10,000 and average 7,500 compensable. Average expenses on medical, average expenses on the house, etc. Start improving your English by revising your previous learning and audiobook. Wait for your loss recovery environment. If the market starts falling in reality, then Reliance, TCS, and large cap stocks indexes will be up, and mid cap, small cap, and volatile stocks and indices will be down. If the market is down, then Reliance, TCS, and large cap stocks index will go up first, then mid cap, small cap, and volatile stocks and indices will go up later. Keep a very close eye when all-time high becomes resistance. Index try to break it several times but fail to break it. Then you will start building your put position as per plan. We lost our 99% money due to one unplanned quantity of capital. Select between 1 to 4 index out of the Nifty mid cap. Select Nifty Finance Service, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50. When it's come 50 points down from all time high, buy one lot, put 50 points out of the money. SL is 100 points out of the money from all time high. Increase one lot if each 50 points down. This sequence can be maintained by increasing or decreasing call quantity. 2. Unplanned quantity of profit. Increase quantity in profit only as per quantity table or plan. 3. Unplanned quantity before profit converted into big loss. Several times our profit turned into a big loss. At that time, our mind went blank and bought so many quantities to cover losses as soon as possible. But instead of covering loss, we face huge losses. So before your profit converted into loss, sell all quantities and keep the quantity as per point 1. Before and during previous parliamentary elections and corona time, market was going up, but after parliamentary elections and corona time, market gone down very rapidly. Check Nifty chart. Open your computer and start trading only after 1:30 p.m. After opening of the European market after date 15, near to monthly expiry or weekly expiry, identify and discuss the other golden environment of trade. Never overtrade. Due to overtrade, you will not be able to keep account on your trade. Your profit trade can be theft. You need to pay high taxes on profit and different charges on each trade, so never do overtrade. Do positional trading, the environment in your favor to keep till 325, one day before expiry. Because one expiry premium decay is very high, avoid trading on the day of expiry. Identify which news, how much it affects a particular index. Smart traders build position as per news of that market moves in that direction. So you also build position accordingly. By put call and by both call and put in large quantities for other or BTST during closing, one day before the news. Whichever money you put in stock market, presume first that it will become zero. Never start a computer or take a single trade when Nifty is in green. If market is downtrend, start with one lot, put increased quantity in profit only. After 1 p.m. when all global and option chain data is showing negative, Nifty index is in red. Any Nifty index is in red and closest to expiry or available at cheapest price in the money. Out of the Nifty mid cap, select Nifty Financial Service, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50. Trade with a small call or put strike price in the money. Nifty rupees 30 is the stop loss. If the Nifty strike price goes below rupees 30, exits from trade immediately on the day of expiry. Also, if present Nifty goes above 21,000, we will keep call mainly. Nifty goes below 21,000, we will keep put mainly. Rainbow cover page of option trading plan. Increase profit and quantity from support or the resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money and cover loss from profit. One table of content. Two timetable. Rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market. Three process to learn and start working in the stock market kernels. Three process to learn. Four take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Two underline 4618. 5. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which you were not following. 10. Paragraph. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. 2 underline 4618. 7. Trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 7. Speed. Plan to trade. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Image 822. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. Traded trend table. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data, 9 points in the middle. 11. Armin's plan and his zero plan to become expert, do very hard work and identify the right trend. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan table. 13. Decide strike price in the price and quantity table to keep call or put table. 14. Always the best stra- Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and a Hero Zero plan 10 points and one underline. 15. Simple process to start buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. Option selling. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Mantra 19 points. 17. Maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first target. Table 20 to 35 points. 18. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given 2 underline 4618. 19. If quantity increased, call side, put side, or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Clean 9 points. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and all put table to follow. Table 21. Improvement suggested after 2,550,000 loss. 5 paragraph. 22. 5 main points given by 5 Rainbow team members. Image 822. 2. Timetable. Timetable serial number start and work. 1. 6 o'clock wake up. 2. 6 o'clock to 6:50 housework and make breakfast. 3. 6:50 to 7:30 get ready for school. 4. 7:30 to 2:15 school time share market. 5. 2:15 to 2:25 change. 6. 2:25 to 2:50 lunch. 7. 2:50 to 3:30 share market. 8. 3:30 to 4 o'clock full day share market discussion. 9. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock study school homework. 10. 5 o'clock to 5:30 yoga. 11. 5:30 to 6:15 park physical activity. 12. 5:15 to 7:20 video topic discussion analysis. 13. 7:20 to 8 o'clock housework dinner making. 14. 8 o'clock to 8:30 dinner. 15. 8:30 to 9 o'clock hobby study extra activities. 16. 9 o'clock to 9:50 TV. 17. 9:50 to 6 o'clock sleep. Rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market. 9 o'clock trading starts towards day trend. 9:15 market gives bounce back. 9:25 square of position of out of money and against the trend market moves towards day trend. 9:35 market gives bounce back. 10 o'clock market moves towards day trend. 12:30 global markets open candle indicates in that direction. 1:30 market moves towards day trend. 3 o'clock trader square of position and market moves against day trend and towards global market direction. 3:20 closes and build position and has as per trend and global market direction. Change out of the money into in the money at day trend. 3. Process to learn and start working in the stock market kernels. Stock market in general and option trading in execution is present as a family business. Knowledge needed, skills required, and information needed on the trading day. Infrastructure, capital, supervised and under observation trade minimum period, minimum experience needed to trade independently. Plan your days up, down, and range trade strategies. Presume every aspect of market and operator FII DII move in advance. How to start before starting your day or your trade. We must be aware about stop loss and target. How to take profits. Presume and discuss in advance that how you will book profit or loss. How to take loss. Always presume in advance about every aspect of market. How to close a trade before starting your trade. You must be aware about trade movement in advance. Analyze your day's mistake and accuracies. Your new learning and experience today. Kernel Gutli used as or because seeds bees. When we saw canals, seed becomes tree. We need to grow our plan and strategy as seeds grow and becomes a big tree. Seeds starting point rupees 1 per lot is equal to rupees 2000 20,000 capital is equal to buy in the money, call or put it rupees 1 after some time with difference of some strike price, by call or put another side. So the following two plants are our seeds, and the requirement minimum capital is rupees 10,000. Its strike price it rupees 1. So the below given plans are the starting points to think about the make different plans and strategies as per different market environments and movements. Best plan 1. Scalp with in the money call and put with unlimited quantity as per plan for unlimited profits. Start with one lot and increase the quantity in profit only. We lost our all money because we were buying both call and put at same strike price, and out of the money both call and put of no premium can be buy. Weakness in this plan is if the market gives big movement either up or downside, then our quantity and loss may increase on loss side. The solution is buy call and put with no premium. Defense mechanism is continuously increase or decrease call or put it profit side or loss to protect yourself from premium decay, and always try to decrease your average price by continuously buying and selling. If you loss is continuously increasing, then try to minimize your quantity and loss, but never make your quantity maximum as per your limit in loss. Best plan 2. Buy call and put in no premium and sell call and put with maximum premium. The flow in only selling is that if it will maximize your loss. If the market keeps growing, as it will increase the quantity on the loss side. However, if the market keeps growing in the direction of the profit side, you will only be able to make little profit there. Seats is equal to first by minimum price in the money put or call, then second after some time by the cheapest in the money call or put. Try to increase the quantity in profit only. Always tries to buy cheapest call or put in the money or near to in the money at the cheapest price. It might be less than 1 rupees. Always so buy as much cheaper in the money we are buying, that much it's good for our plan and strategy. So if our profit increases from one side, then we have opportunity to buy cheapest on the opposite side. So take the advantage of the golden opportunity and buy at the cheapest price in the money. If the market continues moving to one side, your profit will increase on the same side, but if the market gives reversal, then you get profit from another side. Keep it in mind that premium decay is your major enemy. To counter premium decay, buy and sell it cheapest in the money and regular interval, which is your best friend. So take advantage of your friend and keep ready to implement a ready-made and tailor-made strategy, and plan to protect yourself from your enemy, that is a premium decay in buying sides. But on the selling side, your best friend is premium decay, so take the benefit of premium decay in selling. grow like seeds to tree, and our seeds equal to starting point to think, make plan, strategy, and implement, equal to minimum price in the money at one side, and after getting benefit in one side, then only cheapest in the money in other side in option buying. Four, take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience to underline 4618. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience, otherwise our and our family's capital and life will be finished, as we made a mistake on September 28, 2023 by selling our position after 3:15 p.m. on expiry, and all traded amounts and profits got zero. Our amount was reduced from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 45,000 without any loss. On September 28, 2023, after 3:30 p.m., and after finishing my all trade, my cash was showing rupees 86,335.49, and my day loss was showing rupees 7,888.50. But today, my part of profits was not included in my total cash, and it got reduced to rupees 45,422.84. In option trading, all the plans have their weakness, so we must be knowing and discussing the strength and weakness of our plan before starting trading, and defense mechanisms to protect ourselves from those weaknesses. Every day the market environments get changed, and the market also changes its behavior and movement as per the data, global environment and option change. We must have different ready-made and tailor made plans and strategies for different types of market environment, and momentum in advance with their weakness and strengths. We need to adopt different plans and strategies for different types of market trend. Mark points places of biggest loss. 1. We could not identify the right minutes, hour, days, weeks, months, year trend of the market and traded against the market. 2. We could not use stop loss. 3. We could not learn how to book loss. 4. We could not learn how to book profit. 5. We buy, call or put in the money or out of the money slowly or on the day of expiry rapidly becomes 0. 6. When the market gives a big reversal. 7. When the market gives a big movement towards outside or downside. 8. When we did not keep hedge quantity or removed hedge quantity. Points places of biggest profit. 1. First profit we book with call hedge quantity. 2. We bought 2,200 put quantities in a down trend. 3. After opening European markets green trend changed to the upside with bought 400 quantities. 4. Book profit several times when we kept both calls and put and bought at down and sold high both call or put. If we would have adopted an appropriate plan and strategy for different type of market movement, then most of the losses were converted into profit. So be very careful and vigilant to adopt different types of plan and strategy for different types of market. Never adopt only one type of strategy for all types of movement. 1. Today profit was 32,000, but holding was 1,000 put and 800 call due to premium decay. Profit remains only 10,000. 2. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts and increase quantity with profit only. Increase and decrease quantity as per the given table. 3. After crossing 12,000 profits, stop loss will be 10,000 profit, then new strike price will start. 4. Start a new strike after booking 10,000 profit or 2,000 loss. It means 2,000 loss is stop loss and 10,000 profit is first target. 5. Keep only one strike price of put or call active. If needed, one strike price of both call or put may be kept. If we keep more than one or two strike price, then rapid premium decay will start. 6. This plan is for the for a fast moving market with at the money and nearest out of the money. Normally, all plans will be applicable. 5. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts, which we were not following. 10 paragraph. Never buy both call and put at one time, because on September 20 and 21 we made a profit of 1 lakh in put, but at the same time we took a loss of more than 1 lakh in call. So never buy both calls and puts together. During Hero Zero and other trade, we on one side was profit and one on the other was a big loss, and the loss was continuously increasing due to premium decay. Ultimately, we took a loss and could not take advantage of the available opportunity. We have taken lakhs of losses due to premium decay and by buying calls and put together. For the overall position, we must hedge in double and half sequence. Never buy more than 50 points in the money without hedge or plan, because due to this mistake we took a loss of 2,50,000 one time and 1 lakh another time. We can start with one lot and sell it at support and resistance. From there we can buy it again. We can go for reversal or continuation after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, telegrams, etc. For the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which you were not following, decide to take a trade after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, telegrams, etc., and having a evening and morning discussion with all Rainbow family members regarding whether we buy or buy a call or put. But keep in mind stop loss and target, and buy only one call or put in one time. Seeds for the option seller is 1. Buy call and put both on with no premium, and sell call and put both and with maximum premium. Limitation: it is beneficial only in stable and range bound market. As much range bound market, that much premium is available at the money or both of the money strike price. Difference mechanisms or risk management: change your strike price as per market movement to maximize a profit, and be very careful and vigilant on market movement, and be quick to change strike price to make profit. Seeds have the lowest cost and the least amount of loss, because on the day we lost everything. Nifty in the money call and put both were available for rupees 1. The biggest error occurred when we bought call and put both at strike price between rupees 1 and 25. The difference in price between the call or put would always be rupees 50. The nearest in the money Nifty was available and 1 rupees, but it would become 0 until the evening. We won't ever experience a loss if you keep buying cheap and selling high. This is our seed plan. In the money, strike price can be pursued on one side, and if there is a profit margin of rupees 25 to 50, then buy call or put other side. In order to increase our capacity and risk management limit, this would be the seed for option buying in order to create a tree with the least amount of cost and loss and the greatest amount of profit. So on the day of finishing our all money, our biggest mistake was we bought call and put its same strike price. Biggest solution is that there must be difference of one side and other strike price rupees 50. In this case, we will be either in one side profit or in other side or both side profit. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. To underline 4618. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Follow the timetable, all housework, take take your morning food. You are fit, not ill. You have to remind everyone about the planned videos. You have checked all data and know the market trend. Never buy more than the quantity listed in. You are at loss. Strength for option buying. Option buying would be profitable on any side market movement. If the market moves upside, then profit would be in call buy, and if the market moves downside, then profit would be in put buy. If you buy call and put both with no premium, which is available at high price, then it stable market there would be no loss. In a up market there would be a less loss in put and more profit in call due to increase of premium input, and in down market there would be less loss in call and more profit in put due to increase in premium decay in call. Strength of option selling and weakness. In stable market or range bond market, option selling is profitable. If we sell options out of the money, both call and put, then in stable market, range bond market, there would be profit on both sides. But in big movement in any side will lead to big loss. In this trade, be very careful and exit from trade immediately. In big movements, any side go from option buying. We have lost our 99% money due to trade without hedging, or we have removed our hedging if have bought one call or put in the money, after some time bought call or put another side with 50-point difference and counter the premium decay. Counter the premium decay by continuously buying or selling both sides at cheap price, then most of the time we were in profit. So you must know due to which reason you were continuously getting profit, and why you got loss, and why you are getting loss continuously. So now we know why we lost all our money, why we were getting profit continuously, and why we were in loss continuously. Now we will start, not start as option buyers. Now we are mainly option sellers and buy the option occasionally and with profit only. Wrong trade stop in beginning only. Otherwise, as you know your weakness, you will not be able to exit from wrong trade later and finish with a big loss. If you don't want to be loser, so never start with wrong trade. Exit from trade immediately when you knew that you have taken wrong trade. My biggest mistake is when I take a wrong trade or reach and keep wrong trade, that I could not exit and finished with very big loss. This was the end of my all money, including rupees 20,000 taken from Mr. Manik. 99% money I lose in out of the money strike price trade. So never trade in out of the money strike price. Whenever strike price become out of the money, then sell the trade immediately. And also 99% money I lost in recovering of loss. So never try to recover losses, always try to start fresh. Avoid so never try to recover loss, always try to fresh start. Avoid buy today sell tomorrow, btst trade. Every day starts fresh and close in the evening. Most favorable time to trade is after 1 p.m. or before opening of European market. Becomes advance and presume and discuss in advance to a expiry strike price. Operators FII DII move global market opening and closing. We lost our all money by taking unplanned trade. Stop yourself from unplanned trade. unplanned trade, otherwise you will lose everything and you will finish yourself and your family. Give first priority and do everything to stop yourself from unplanned trade. So today I bought 10, I bought 1000 quantity and at rupees 19 price, by thinking that the price will not go below, but it reaches rupees 0.50. Sell call at top and put at bottom, and start of the week and month of expiry, two lots nearest one, nearest out of the money. By doing this, you will earn minimum rupees 2000 days. First, make yourself satisfied with this amount. This is the first step to make yourself disciplined, because you are very undisciplined and you lost your all money due to this undiscipline. This amount is more than enough for beginning and stability. Best opting is Bank Nifty, because the premium is very high and strike price difference is 100 points. You can start in the middle and operators will not be able to close its strike price, because most of the time operators try to finish the expiry its strike price only. Plan your trade accordingly for big profit, but with profit only, not with your capital. Seven trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 7 speed plan to trade. 7 speed plan to trade with one in the with one in 7 speed plan to trade. 1 in the plan with no premium. 2 the money with premium. 3 8 the money. 4 1 strike price out of the money. 5 2 strike price out of the money. 6 3 strike price out of the money. 7 4 strike price out of the money. Best trade of day is 1 day earlier of expiry. Best day is after one. Best time is after 1:30 and after opening of European market. Best price is above rupees 30 and the best stop loss is rupees 10 and below. Start with one lot. If the stop loss is rupees 30 hits, buy two lots of one strike price above. If stop loss is rupees 30 hits again, then buy three lots of one strike price above. If stop loss is rupees 30 hits again, then hereafter continue the same in the same sequence. Mr. Manik bought put in large quantity at a small price. One day he got a 750 rupee profit and another day he got 1000 profit. There is no excuse for not following the rules. 1. Trade not followed of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3, 6, 12 month. 2. Always increase profit. 3. Never try to recover loss. 4. In greed, don't lose your savings. 5. We are put option traders. We don't do anything in up market against the trend. 6. By 10 to 30 points earlier to 70 and 30 points. 70 and 30 points would be stop loss and expectation of reversal, because 95% gives reversal for 100 from 100 points and 80% gives reversal from 50 points in its first attempt. In the second, third, and fourth attempt, it becomes weaker and can break easily. So trade for a continuation or reversal accordingly. For big profit, identify big trade and reversal by checking historical data and points of reversal. Major reasons of reversal: import accidents, news with market, or become a major reason for the reversal of market. A list of all data and incidents, days and time or effect. We lost our 100% money because we could not identify and capture the right trend, not use a stop loss, not capped or removed our hedge quantity. We traded in the wrong trend without SL. Check historical data of how much or for many days the elections etc. affected the market. If you follow your plan strictly, there is no chance of loss. You will only have profit. When the maximum limit is 25% of the available amount in the account. To never do scalping in anything or anything in loss. 3. Start with one lot only. 4. Today we did not follow the stop loss plan and exited at 70 and 30. 5. We did not follow the plan that we had to exit in profit only and take a loss of 1,50,000. To recover a loss of rupees 1,90,000, we took a loss of 60,000. To recover this amount, we took a loss of 90,000 extra on September 7, 2023. The total loss was 2,50,000. 6. We could have stopped at 35, 30, 25, 20, and 15, but we have not stopped at any place and lost 1,50,000 rupee. 6. It has been proven that losses start on Friday at the start of new expiry because the strike price and premium decay are very high. Monday also starts with previous day loss or of loss. Thursday expiration day also started with previous losses and we could not recover from them and faced huge losses. The solution is to start with one call or put. After some time, one put or call with no premium. SL is when it become out of the money on cheap prices on both sides. Increase quantity only if it is profitable, otherwise trade with one lot of call and put. In this way, loss would be limited and profit would be unlimited. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Image 822. Hero Zero plan in profit and with profit only, never with capital. By 1,000 cheap put and call near to expiry and at the money. Decrease the quantity from loss side and increase profit and quantity by scalping in profit side only. But don't forget to put loss before doing scalping. To put stop loss before doing scalp before increasing put stop loss before doing scalping. Do not increase or decrease the quantity if it crosses the rate below or above. If you did not follow stop loss in scalping, so it can give you big loss and stop you to make big profits. If the profit amount is less than quantity may be decreased and profit amount is more than quantity may be increased. Check data before editing. Check data before trading. Account position and amount in trading account. European, American, and Asian market trend it, including global market. Check analysis and compare Asian markets with Nifty 50 to know their trend and momentum. ADR of major stocks like Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, etc. Option chain data. Nifty 50 stocks trend. All 12 Nifty index trend. Dollar index. Crude oil prices. Dollar rupee prices. Market trend and sentiments. Major news. Study and discuss all those factors given in videos who affects market. We have divided stock market topics in 60 parts which can be studied and discussed date wise, two topics on one date by connecting our stock market topics with our school syllabus topics. Things to check, analyze and discuss with Rainbow team member is: first, check which plan is being implemented. Second, the market environment data, option change and market movement. Then third, decide and explain the weakness and limitation of implemented plans and strategy. Then fourth, give the best plan and strategy for the present market environment and movement. Instead of increasing your own plan, link it with the best option selling strategies. The most important thing to know is different plan and different strategy for different type of market movement. Presuming, analyzing, making plans, implementing plans, working on strength and weakness continuously. Finally, suggestion on discussion: if the market is not moving or moving in a very small range, then sell the option, both call and put it the money or out of the money. If the market is in range box for a very long time, when it breaks the range box, then the market gives a big movement. But be careful, this can be false fake breakout and the market can give a very sharp and big reversal. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. Traded trend table. The maximum 2000 loss is the stop loss and any cost or in any circumstances. So start changing the strike price at 250 loss only so that we cannot reach the maximum limit of 2000 stop loss. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information, and then decide to trade with either call or put or both sides as per the given trend. Serial number market normal, top resistance, bottom support. 1. Very bullish call, 0 put, 0 call. 2. Bullish call with less put for hedging. Sell one call at the money or nearest out of the money. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money. Sell one point at the money and or nearest out of the money. Change your strike price when it becomes in the money. 3. Volatile. Both call and put increase quantity as per profit. Buy next put after a minimum 2000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after minimum 2000 loss, keep in mind risk management and available balance. For very bearish put, buy next put after a minimum 1000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after minimum 1000 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 5. Bearish put very less call for hedging. Buy next put after a minimum 500 loss, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 500 loss, keeping in mind management and available balance. The best option is keep only call or put in trending side with stop loss, but sometimes in volatile market stop loss hits upward both sides, so we need to buy both call and put turn by turn whenever it's available at cheap price only. Always buy either call or put in one time. Never buy call and put together when the call is available at cheap prices. Then buy a call. If after some time put is available at cheap prices, then buy put also. But keep in mind that profit must be increasing. If it is decreasing, then reduce the quantity as soon as possible. Always keep 50 points in the money by changing strike prices and booking profit or loss. Keep one lot in one strike price. If it is in the loss of more than 250 or 500 or 1000, change the strike price on the same side. Then market range is decided mainly by option data. 9 points in the middle. Market range is decided mainly by option data. If option data is one sided, the volatile range can be increased if call sellers are more than put sellers by put from up. If the put sellers are more than a call sellers, then by a call from bottom by call from bottom. The way the market moved towards demonstrated how completely the operators and large traders control the market. Although the market was declining today, the operators wanted in the morning to close it at 19,800, so they managed to manage the market to move only 10 to 20 points up or down, and the market closed at 19,800 only. We need to predict the type of market in which the operator has scheduled the closure based on data from option chain, call and put transactions. Make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday the market exceeded our quantity without We need to predict the type of market in which the operator has scheduled the closure based on data from option chain, call and put transactions. Make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday the market we exceeded our quantity without prior planning, which led to large losses on both days. Recall the data in rapidly moving market. If you are increasing volumes after looking profit, the strike price shouldn't be greater than 20 and on expiry day not more than rupees 6. The market type and closer on base of option chain data and market trend and strength. 1. At the strike price. 2. A reduced market close. 3. The market closer higher. 4. After an up or down side moment, the market makes a significant reversal. 5. The market moves in three ranges: large, medium, and small. 6. Market will open upside to go up, go down. 7. Market will open downside to go up. 8. After moving up or down, market close its strike price or outside or downside. 9. Market move up or down, then give large, medium, and small bounce back, then continue the move. Keep the quantity in control all the time. Minimum quantity at both at bottom or maximum quantity at the bottom as per plan. Because whenever we lose our control and increased increased quantity without plan, we face huge loss. So never lose your control either in slow, medium, or fast moving market or in a big, medium, or small profit and loss. Buy in the money strike price near rupees 20 to fast 20 in fast moving market, so that your profit can be unlimited, and in case of loss it's limited to 20 only. Because we were in rupees 25,000 profit and book some profit and bought some or extra quantity at small price, then market has given very strong reversal, and we face loss of rupees 21,000 same day and rupees 50,000 eight next day. So never increase quantity without plan and strategy in case of worst result. So always keep in mind the worst side of the trade and keep plan and strategy ready to protect yourself. The quantity bought it less than 20 will be spared from one quantity bought at rupees 120 as per plan. Keep in mind that quantity bought at rupees 20 has more chance to become zero. In increased quantity, there is more chance to lose. And on here's the plan. All the time we faced huge losses is very small time. So all the time keep in control and are not increase quantity without plan. Always keep in mind the worst side of the trade's result and your serving strategy before taking any decision to trade. All the time start fresh. If you try to recover your previous loss, you will lose your all money we pursued calls and put today, and our combined loss was steadily rising. At times the calls were profitable while the put were not, so we were not selling. If things continue this way, sell the profitable parts first, then sell the other side as it start to make profit on near to recover loss. 11. Our main plan and usual plan to become expert. Do very hard work to identify the right trend. If the market is falling, keep the given put. If the market is rising, buy and call for hedging and scalping. If the markets is in range, scalp with both put and call. Be careful and prepared for the big momentum on one side by keeping the quantity on the trend side only. Practice is needed to become an expert in this setup. By using this setup, we can earn our livelihood daily and also get huge profits when opportunity are available. But we take a risk only on profit, never take a risk on loss or capital. At the top, start with one put and keep increasing one put after each rupees 1000 loss. After reaching the first target level, buy one call and keep increasing one call after each rupees 1000 loss, and keep increasing one call after each rupees 1000 loss. After reaching the second target level, sell one put after increasing 1000 profit. At the bottom, call may be used at the place of put. Some changes can be made as per market movement. Because on September 22, 2023, we had a profit of rupees 25,000 at the put, but between 2:30 and 3:30, our rupees 25,000 profit converged into rupees 6,000 loss. If we could have started buying calls as per the above plan and increased the quantity of profit only, we could have increased our profit or saved some of the profit. After comparison between Nifty Midcap Select, Nifty Financial Service, Nifty Bank, and Nifty 50, consider starting to buy one call from the most down index and one put from the most up index per the above plan. Keep patience when the market moves very slow or not moves or move very rapidly against our trade. As it moves as it moves 2500p, wait until the market moves as per your plan. If the market moves against your trade, it means you fail to identify the and or predict right trend, so do hard work on it. Strong psychology. Never divert from selling, otherwise the opportunity will be missed. Most positive thing in option buying is that if you buy with no premium, then if the market moves 100 points, the profit will be rupees 100. But if the market moves 100 points against the trend, you will have only rupees 50 loss. Take advantage of the golden point. On 29 November 2023 in loss, we kept so many strike prices and tried to average to cover losses, but we could not cover losses and took a loss of rupees 82,884.75. So how to book losses? Start with only one strike price near 100 points away from the index point. Try to average to recover the loss. When it's become out of the money, then exit from trade at once and then change the strike price. First, make a profit from option selling. Take a risk on the profit only. For option buying or Hero Zero plan, increase quantity in profit only. How to take profit? Book profit from upper strike price and buy lower strike price with some extra quantity. Be very careful if it comes to loss. First sell all and keep only one lot. If we will not bring to one lot, then our all profit becomes a big loss after reversal, as 90% times our biggest profit converted into a big loss several times after reversal, and we have lost our 90% of money because of this mistake. In this cause, we have two options. We remain very careful, and either we keep only one lot or we keep in the money quantity on an amount which is allowed or bearable if it's become zero. 12. Price and quantity table for the Hero Zero plan table. Hero Zero plan. Start Hero Zero by buy keep and increase in the quantity from rupees 10 and the money from rupees 5. Otherwise, we will face a big loss, as we have taken losses of 90,000, 25,000, 12,000, 6,000, and 3,000 in very small time. Several times. Try to make a average price less than zero or minimum. Otherwise, whatever amount you use for a zero trade will become zero or minimum. Most of the time, the index moves 10 to 20 points up and down at once. Main strike price, because due to it the strike price several times, our money becomes zero. So buy 50 points in the money. If there is very high chance to move the index from index up or down, then only buy it the money. Increase the 50 points in the money quantity after 1 p.m. to cover loss as much as possible. A table of loss is given below to cover loss or book loss by keeping different index or strike price at a good level of premium. Increase quantity from big and unlimited profit in profit only. Today we took more than 2000 losses and made a big loss in the previous day to trade. Today also we traded a loss and could not exit after 2000 loss. So follow the plan, never trade in loss and exit from trade, hit 2000 losses. Price and quantity are given in table for the Hero Zero plan. In Hero Zero, always buy on deep and sell on high. On the day of expiry, in put and call was 30 point undervalued and put was 30 points overvalued. Always trade with undervalued assets and book profit from time to time. Due to this problem, we faced a loss of 25,000 on September 21, 2023. So always increase quantity as per plan and with profit only. Today's biggest mistake was that we bought 200 calls at rupees 70, but the price was moving near 35 and 40. Our plan was to decrease the price in the Hero Zero plan, not increase it, which we could not recover. The most powerful and cheapest plan, the only and most favorite time for option buyers is after 1 p.m. and before starting the European market on the day of expiry, to start with one call and one put. Increase quantity by buying at a cheap price to decrease the price or bring the price in minus, or increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given worst situations. One answer may be to try to bring the price down, buy and sell at regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Always buy no premium strike price in Hero Zero. How to start? On the on the day of expiry after 1 p.m. or before starting the European market, buy one call and after some time one put. Decrease quantity by buying at a cheap price to decrease the price in increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above gain worst situation. One answer may be try to bring price in minus, buy and sell in regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Made mistakes several times and worse situations in this plan to must avoid or save yourself. But Nifty 1000 PE and CE both in 19,800 strike price on the day of expiry on November 23, 2023. Market moved 10 points up and down. Both slides finally closed at 19,800. We faced losses of 50,000. Follow the plan with 50 points in the money, no premium strike price. 13. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put table. Decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. Quantity table. Start buying with one call or support or one put from resistance. Never buy a call or put together. If you want to buy call first, sell all put. If you want to buy put first, sell all calls. Otherwise, you will face a huge loss due to premium decay. The quantity table starts from approximately 100 points plus, or for put approximately 100 points minus for call. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and Hero Zero plan. 10 points and one underline. 1. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money, because from here the profit amount increases equally but the loss amount does not. So keep changing the strike price after each 50 points on both the call and put side. 2. For taking advantage of a one-sided market, keep buying at a small price in the money, increase quantity as profit increases, and scalp profit whenever it gets an opportunity. 3. Never trade in a loss. Start with one lot. If you want to increase quantity in loss side, you can buy one lot in another strike price and continue the same, but never trade on the loss side. It means we can buy one lot after 50 points on the loss side. 4. After 1 p.m., premium decay stops because premium decay has already been added, especially on the day of expiration. 5. Option seller stops trading after 2:30 p.m. On the day of expiry, the buyers of the option get active. 6. Hero Zero timings is between 1 to 2:30 and 3:15. Price between 10 and 40. 7. Hero Zero plan starts below rupees 50 points in the money with one lot towards trend near 100 points, which is support or resistance and volatile points. Most of the time or in slow range bond market, Hero Zero plan is not beneficial for option buyer. Only sometime is it is very beneficial for option buyers to move to fast moving overbought or sold markets or mostly on day of monthly expiry. Identify which markets is not very beneficial. 8. If we plan both calls and puts of no premium, there must be success on one side after following all the plans. 9. After 3:15, the day of expiry, the settlement starts, so new traders cannot take advantage of profit at that time, and out of the money at time it by time becomes zero, but in the money previous traders can take advantage. 10. If there is more chance for a bigger movement due to bigger news or any reason, then buy call and put both big and same quantity to buy today's and sell tomorrow trade, BTST, or any time trade. Whenever there is chance for a big movement, follow the same. 15. Simple process to start. Buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. Option selling. Option selling. Buy Nifty. One call put out the money 10% premium at near 7. Sell one call put at the money or nearest out the money 100% premium at near 70 to close first. Buy call then sell call. Increase quantity in profit only and change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 1. Buy one lot call at bottom or one lot put its support at the price near rupees 120 by following all rules. 2. The stop loss in rupees 80, so whenever it comes near rupees 80, first sell and then buy one upper strike price rupees 120 by following all the rules. 3. Never buy and keep more than one lot at a loss. 4. Increase the quantity of profit by selling one lot at the upper strike price and then buying two lots at the lower strike price. 5. Buy whichever expiry is near and one lot in available at a low price. Days of expiry Monday, Nifty mid cap, Tuesday fin Nifty, Wednesday Nifty 50. Monthly and quarterly contracts on the banking index will continue to expire on Thursday Nifty 50, Friday BSC, Sensex 30 and BankX. Option selling at the top in bearish market. 1. Buy Nifty 1 call at the money 10% premium at near 7. Sell one call at the money of nearest out of the money 100% premium at near 70 to close. First buy the call then sell call. Increase quantity in profit only and change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after the minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 2. Buy Nifty 1 call or near 25 out of the money. Sell one call at the money of nearest out of the money at 70 to close. First buy call then sell call. Increase quantity in profit only. Change the strike price when it becomes in the money and repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. At the bottom, in bullish market, repeat the process, but call become put and put become call. The near monthly expiry become markets may show big movement in one direction. So try to take movement of this movement as per option chain data and market trends. As per option chain data, the Hero Zero plan will start on the day of expiry 1 p.m. at the price between 1 and 30, maximum losses of rupees 1000 because the two time price has gone from 1 to 9 and the given time price has gone from 5 to 20. Buy without gap nearest day of expiry after comparison between Nifty Midcap Select, Nifty Financial Service, Nifty 50 after 1 p.m. after checking all data, because from here premiums decay remains unchanged and keep only one strike price and change the strike price only after 50 points change. Save yourself from premium decay by buying on a regular interval after 1 p.m. on or on a near expiry day, near to start of expiry, or in the morning, because during the period premiums and decay are very heavy. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance point. Mantra 19 points. Rainbow Team Life is discipline as that in the monthly hourly momentum towards global market chart trend support resistance target stop loss plan. Stop loss rule 1. Never buy, call or put together. Buy one lot 50 points in the money, call in green or put in red from support or resistance. Increase quantity in profit only. One, try to make our entry difficult so that you can exit your trade easily. To decide exit before entry. 3. Strategy limit. At any point of time, do not try to execute 2 3 strategies. For manage your funds wisely. 5. Do not trade with broad funds. 6. Don't overtrade. 7. Follow strict stop loss and target levels. 8. Never panic. 9. Never be patient. 10. Stay updated. 11. Don't buy deep out of the money OTM option just because it is cheap. 12. Time works against the buyer of the option and in favor of the seller of the option. Once closer it expiry, it is not a very good idea to buy options. 13. Volatility is one of the essential factors to determine the value of an option. So it's generally advised to buy options when market volatility is expected to increase, and sell option when volatile is expected to decrease. 14. Ahead of major events or key geopolitically risk, it is always better to be one of the buy option rather than the sell options. 15. Keep booking profits at regular intervals or just keep an trailing stop loss of profits. 16. Never hold position overnight without plan, because I lost 3 lakh due to premium decay, especially on 25 July 2023 when I was holding 650 call and added 300 calls. US market was positive. Market was going up slowly and premium was going down due to volatile index was going down. I quit my position 100 point down in fear of going more down. I faced huge losses due to this trade. Market recover and close flat. Next day market gone up because volatile index was down and us market was positive, but I could not trade and missed the good opportunity. 17. Calculate option premium of 0 4 strict price of the plan and put from at the money. Buy one lot of call at bottom or one lot of put it high and add one lot after each 50 points. 18. Combination of profit loss out of the money and at the money in the money trade to recover loss of each trade of one by one with hedge trade of 100 points out of the money. 19. Keep buying 100 quantities after changing 10 points and 1 minute red candles. Always keep 500 quantities of 100 points in the money, increase quantity for trading if the environment of favorable and momentum is as per plan. 17 maximum 2000 loss are stop loss and 10,000 profit is the first target. 10 table 10 to 35 points. 20 scalping strategy start buying 100 points in the money, put at least 5 days earlier of expiry, 10 point near to resistance in the morning on the high, and take out extra quantity after covering loss in day time as soon as possible, 10 point near to support. 21 always keep 100 points in the money, put by shifting position as per momentum to take advantage of premium decay in nifty moves upside. 22 chant market mantra and read this plan several times during the market to know which plan is not being followed. 23 most important rule, keep shifting your trade near to ATM and book loss from trade which is not near to ATM. Shift to next expiry after E. 24 zero to hero strategy works with a simple price near at the money and expiry. 25 benefit, one money cannot become zero if it's plan an expiry day, but if amount can be raised as much as the opportunity. 26 on 19 July 2023 Nifty 19,650 price two times came from rupees 14 to 20, but could not sell it 20 and it closed it rupees 7. 27 so it can trade as we were doing in HDFC Bank, RBL Bank and Yes Bank, buy in deep and sell on high. 28 biggest mistake on the day was not hedging it 2:30 p.m. and 3:20 p.m. and 9:15 a.m. 29 second, I could not buy or sell a cheap put or call when the market was given an opportunity. 13 bull call spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread to start learning and practicing hedging. 31 trend changes with weekly candle color market became volatile when candle color changed. First reversal always gives a bounce back by the waiting traders. Time to buy and sell between 2:30 p.m. to 10 a.m. to avoid premium decay. Always trade towards trend. 32 four types of market: 1 UP, 1 up plan, 1 2 down plan, 2 3 outbreak volatile plan, 3 4 range bound avoid trade, fast change plan, 1 and 2 2 3 and 3 2 1 and 2 3 33 always keep at the mind and out the money for hedging opposite side to trade only, but I face of rupees 60,000 by losing all hedging amounts. 34 so sell out of the money, trade book loss on the same day, buy the same quantity or only some extra share of at the money. Due to this mistake I face loss of 1 lakh. 35 if you keep a big quantity, then hedge with 100 to 200 points out of the money, buy in evening and sell in the morning after momentum to avoid premium decay. 18. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given. In case of profit, following would be maximum stop loss. 2 underline 4618. Profit stop loss 2,200, 5,000, 2,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 10,000, and so on. If we have kept call or put for protection of for or hedging, then increase the quantity with profit only. If market is going in one direction, then the strike price of the direction is available at a very high rate, but strike price of opposite direction is available at cheap price, which which we can which we can buy for which we can buy for for protection, and when direction gets changed, then cheap becomes costly by increasing or decreasing premium. As at the same time, the call is available at less than premium, and put is available at more than the premium. Must book profit than the time as per support and resistance from where we can buy it again. If market moves forward or backward slide, patience is very important for stock market and option trading. We can keep patience only if we have less quantity and we are in profit. For Hero Zero plan best time is near to 3 p.m. 3 o'clock p.m. Best place is near to 100 points. Second best place is near to 50 points. Best environment is global market is favorable and cross common staples place. If a share is under the protection of any share and is showing a profit in total profit and loss, then we can keep it. How to trade with the trend? If the market crosses all time high or any high in normal movement in the day time, not at an opening or closing time, then buy one lot call, keep 50 points down from previous immediate all time high, stop loss increase and quantity as per plan and in profit only. If the plan start making minutes, hour, day, week, month red candle, then it's essential some small, medium, large sign of either retracement or reversal. Identify it is retracement or reversal. Keep 50 points up for all time high. Stop loss increase the quantity as per plan and the profit only. Retracement generally lasts for a shorter term, typically for no longer than 1.2 weeks, whereas reversal can last for a long term, including more than a few weeks. Intestment form up by call in deep and sell call with high premium on high. In reversal from up by put from up and sell put at down. In retracement from down by put from up and sell same put at down. In a reversal from down, put call from in down and sell on high. Reversal can last for 4 nights, moments and years. 7 types of trading day. Which days of market, which strategy plan to adopt or to trade, identifies the market movement according to which number market types. One number moves very fast against your trade in your direction only. This is a sign of very strong market. Mistake we could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trends. Solutions: use tables, keep only one lot, don't trade but with the market. The trade in trend direction will with stop loss. To market moves very fast against your trade in the direction, put moves one or two times or several times in the other direction also. This is a sign of a very strong market on one side, but there is an initial sign of trade reversal. Mistake we could identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution: I use stop loss, keep only one lot, don't trade but watch the market. Take trend in trend direction, but keep some quantity of other direction also. 3. Market moving up and down but closing against our trade. This is a sign of very strong market on one side, but there is some sign of trend reversal. Mistake we could identify is the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution: use stop loss, keep only one lot, don't trade but watch the market. The trade in trend direction, but keep half quantity, double and half sequence in another direction also. 4. Market moved very slowly for 10 points up and down but closing flat. This is very first sign of a retracement or reversal. Slowly your loss is increasing. In this circumstances, keep both call and put. You will get at least 50 points movement in the morning or evening or anytime take advantage of that opportunity to take your today's profit. Mistake, we could identify the right trend and momentum. So do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution, use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade but watch the market. Take trade in time in trade direction, but keep half quantity double and half sequence in another direction also. 5 6 7, the market is moving towards your trade, and 5 fast, 6 medium, or 7 slow speed. Then keep trading as per your plan. 19, if quantity increased, call side, put side, or both sides without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Clean 9 paragraphs. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts. Increase quantity only on the profit side. Whenever strike price comes in below profit, exit from all holdings except one lot before profit comes to below 2000. Increase the quantity again if it makes a profit in quantity. Increased call side, put side, or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Yesterday market was for scalping because it was moving more than 30 points up and down, but we were adding stop loss which was hitting it again and again. Today's call did not hit stop loss single times as market was in trend and not jumping too high or low, but we were averaging or hedging and faced huge losses. We made a hero zero plan with put, but we did not make a hero zero plan with call and faced huge losses. Later we corrected our mistake and made a hero zero plan for the call side also and handle our trade. So we need to make a hero zero plan for both put and call, and 50 points in the money. Whichever side goes into trade, increase quantity on that side only. On that side, the biggest mistake was that we did not make a plan for hero zero towards the call side. Hero zero plan means changing the strike price as per price movement. For example, if we are getting profit on the put side and we have a 20 100 strike price, as the market goes down, change the strike price from 20,100 to 20,050, 20,000 to 19,950, and so on. Previously, we bought so many strike prices in one time and faced huge losses due to premium decay. The same mistake we made today was that in expectation of the market going down, we bought too many strike prices on the put side, but the market moved towards the upside and we faced a huge loss. So never buy too many strikes at once. Buy only one call and one put strike at a time. Whenever needed, shift from one strike price to next strike price. Try to square position at 925 because thereafter rapid premium decay starts. Tomorrow plan. Tomorrow, if the market goes down, the hero zero plan will be with put. If the market goes up, the hero zero plan will be with call. Always try to buy cheap and sell on higher rate. 20 suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and old put table to follow. Table in the stock market, 80% psychology works. Never lose money, so never trade without a plan. Start Friday at 10 a.m. by taking 50 calls and 50 puts. Book profit and fresh start after crossing 30 to 70 points, and on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. The profit side of a call and put would always be bigger than the loss side by adding or selling. Increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. The given table is of profit in a down market only, so this must be used with market is going down. 2, the profit is in the up market, put would be the base. Increase the quantity of call as per profit to cover losses and increase profit. 3, for profit in consolidation, buy and call and sell call and put a difference of at least 5 rupees. 4, the put must not be less than the given table, but the call may be 0 to double as per profit and environment. If money is not sufficient, so this plan can be implemented on expiry day. Lakshmi did not listen to her father's instruction, advice, and indication and instructions, advice and indications, and took decisions as owner and above her father. 1. Buy and sell call at 5 rupee difference, not followed. 2. Keep and increase profit, not followed. 3. We did not follow the plan. 4. Taken decision in greed, so she took a final loss of 1,91,000 on 6 September 2023. We need to follow our 5 plan along with all other plans and rules. 6. Lakshmi's father Uma, Sashti and Harshita did not follow the plan and did not cross check whether the plan was followed or not. So they are also equally they are also responsible for the loss. 7. Stop loss is not followed. 8. We did not think about what we would do if the market go up or sideways, but only put without thinking. 21. Improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 5 paragraphs. Start with 50 call and 50 puts. Never do anything in loss side. Increase profit and quantity by scalping in the profit side only. Fresh start and stop loss points would be 70 to 30 points. Always try to decrease price by scalping, but quantity must be minimum, controllable, and below the bearable limit. If we have less money and want a big profit, then the above plan can be implemented on Hero Zero style in Hero Zero style, keeping in mind the trend of the market. Never do Hero Zero or anything in loss because we are doing Hero Zero out of the money. We have taken a loss of 1 lakh rupee when we were doing Hero Zero against the trend, and with a huge loss we got a loss of 1000. In this way we face huge losses by violating different rules, so never trade against the trend and the plan. Our stop loss is 70 and 30 points, and when it's reaching near to loss, entry can be minimum 10 point and maximum 30 points, and earlier for scalping for profit to remain in profit as much as possible, because before reaching to loss we will exit from trade. I i was never disciplined, due to which I lost my all money because I never learned how to take loss, and also I could not take loss myself. So you must take a loss, and you must learn how to take loss, and you must accept loss from heart, and you must treat loss as normal process and hard truth. So you stop option trading if you cannot book loss when your option buying call or put become the money or out of the money, and you also book loss in option selling when your sell call or put become in the money. You must also learn how to book profit by changing strike price, selling high strike price, and buying in the money loss strike price. But always keep in mind that how to lock your profit means whichever profit you are getting, that must not be converted in loss, because several times I was in big profit, but markets given reversal and my big profit converted into big loss. So always be prepared in big reversal. First start with one lot with no premium. When it reaches to profit and market is in trend, then buy one lot in next strike. Keep continuing the same, then buy big quantity at the small strike as per loss taking capacity. Take risk on profit only. If it goes to loss, cover loss from previous bought a large strike price, which is the profit. Plan for big profit. Identify the trend change point at the very essential stage in advance. After checking market strength data, global environment, and future events and news, general market may change its trend on date 15 towards downside due to overbought. Because the market goes down, only the comparison normally the market goes up. So most of the time On the first day of monthly expiry or weekly expiry, market opens upside. On the expiry of the monthly contracts, the whole month, if the market moved upside, then there is more chance the market goes up due to short covering. If the whole month market has moved downside, then there is more possibility to move in downside. Usually trade can be taken on this point. Most of the market doesn't change its direction to go down at once in normal circumstances. First, it gives an early candle closer in red, then day, week, month candle closer in red, then it indication a or trend reversal towards downside. But any time the market can go up or down due to the environment or news. Most of the time market remains in positive moves in normal circumstances. That is why most of the time the premium of the call remains high. Most of the time the market opens it high and goes towards a downside. 22 5 main points given by 5 input team members. Image 822. There will be a different entry for continuation and different entry for reversal. If it goes to 50 or 100 for the first time, there is 95% chance for reversal, and if it goes to 50 or 100 points for the second, third or fourth time, then we can plan for continuation trade as it is showing its power. 50 points in the money and the best option for entry with 50 calls and 50 puts. Profit would be greater and loss would be less in this sequence. Entry as per market trend, support or resistance. Market entry with 50 calls and 50 puts increase the quantity of profit between double and half. Never trade a gap in trade because that during that period we may miss the big opportunity, and then for taking advantage of the missed of the 50 points in the market is the best option for entry with 50 calls and 50 puts. Profit would be greater and loss would be less in this sequence. Entry as per market trend, support or and resistance. Entry with 50 calls and 50 puts increases the quantity as profit between double and half. Never give a gap in trade because during the period we may miss the big opportunity, and then for taking advantage of the missed opportunity we can face a huge loss, as we have taken a loss of 35,000 on September 14, 2023. This video is to request, identify, discuss and compare today's market with plan given in all 23 pages. Follow the timetable and get involved in all the work. Don't get involved in endless work. Watch, inform and discuss 7 videos on 7 topics as per the timetable. Read books daily. Improve your reading, writing, listening, speaking, action. Study optional trading, stock market, school syllabus and UPSC syllabus together by linking to each other. Thank you.